This video is a guide of the Sceptre C30 best setting. So to optimize your Sceptre C30 ultra-wide curved gaming monitor is that we need the refresh rate. To ensure your monitor it is set to its maximum refresh rate of 200 Hz for smooth gameplay. Next is the color and image quality settings. We need to set it into brightness with 75 and contrast with 70. Its color temperature, we need to set it to warm for a more natural look, or user mode to manually adjust RGB values to your performance. For its gamma is that we need to set the gamma for 2.2 for balance and mid-tone gamma. Other than that is that we need to activate the Overdrive feature in the monitor's OSD or on-screen display menu to minimize motion blur. Lastly is to utilize the built-in FPS and RTS modes tailored for first-person shooter and real-time strategy games respectively.